Ladies, sometimes you have a battery-operated item. This has a USB-C connector, my vibrator, USB-C. So you want to charge it up. Get your USB cable, which makes sense. And you've got the other end, which is your USB cable, and then you have a USB charger. So we plug it in, and then we go over here, and we plug this in, and there are no lights. You're looking all around your vibrator. There are no lights to let you know that it's charging. Why? Because some items that are USB-C need a USB-C to USB-A cable. So this isn't charging, you think it's broken and you're going to throw it away, but let me show you what you need to do. What we have here is the older style USB-A connector, and we have the newer style USB-C. So what you need to do is plug this into either your computer, which has a USB connector, or plug it into, remember we had this power bank, which was strictly USB-C. You need a USB-A style connector on your power bank or your AC adapter or your dongle. Now I have a power brick that has USB, USB-C, and USB-A. So let's test this out and see what happens. We'll plug this into the AC connector, and we have, well, that's not really going to work unless we plug our USB-A into the USB-A connector. So let's do that first. We plug that in. Now we are going to take the USB-C, and depending on what your item is, again, this is a vibrator, you can plug this in on the end. Let's see if we get any lights or anything. Do we have any lights over here? There it is. We have lights over there, which means that it's charging. Before we had no lights. So if you got to charge a USB-C and it doesn't work, make sure that you're using the right cable. You might have the wrong cable. If USB-C to USB-C doesn't work, there are still different wirings. The wiring is different between the two connectors. You do get the same voltage out of there, but sometimes you need to get that extra grounding wire that is in the USB-A connector. And then you should be able to get a little power. Let's see if it even worked. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, yes, your vibrator suddenly is working. And that is what you need to do, is check your cable and make sure it is the right one. If this helped you, please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Donation link in the video description. Thank you.